No, it wants Shotzi to play with it. Wants to come in and be by Shotzi. It thinks Shotzi's its mom.
I think it's her.
No.
Huh?
No, it's just young. Look. It's been here for 5 minutes. What's that? Is that your baby? It's just not left. No, it's out of its nest. Aww. It's not hurt. It's just young, and it thinks Shotzi's its buddy. It wants to come in.
That's funny.
Shotzi ain't your buddy, baby. But what is that, Shotzi? Is that your buddy? Is that your little buddy?
Bird buddy?
Aw, it's just a baby. Look at it. It's like, please let me in. It's scared.
Where it come from?
I don't know. He just showed up. I saw the Shotzi running alongside the...
It thinks Shotzi's mother.
Yeah, it's like, Mommy, I want to come near you. Shotzi, that's your baby. She thinks so anyway. Can't let her near you. She's got to learn otherwise. Oh. It's a little baby robin. It's a little robin. That's what it is. Look how cute. See that baby? What's that baby doing? Oh. What's the baby doing? Oh. I know, it's your baby. Is it your baby? No, I think it's your lunch. If it could be. Oh.